Gather around, ye folks, and hear me well, for I tell a tale of a world far from here, a world beyond the skies of our humble terror, beyond the belt of asteroids, a world caught in the clutches of a mighty orange giant, a world named Kale. In the year 1 and 2 millennia, whilst observing the heavens through dual spyglasses situated atop a sleeping volcano, a team of stargazers did peep themselves a moon of Jupiter. After much debate, this celestial boulder was dubbed Kale, whose nomenclature stems from a blessed daughter of Zeus, a Greek charity, if you will, the very personification of beauty. Kale. At just 400 rods across, Kale merrily dances around Jupiter but once for every 7 long seasons, 25 Earth moons. Alas, fair friends, the genesis of Kale is a fable of woe and destruction. Today, Kale travels with a group of similar kin, all of whom fall under the Kame banner, the namesake of the very moon from which they originate. Eons ago, a dastardly impactor did strike Kame, splitting this once proud moon asunder into the cold depths of space. From this cataclysmic event rose a dozen brethren, all sworn to follow the same path as their mother, and had been following this well-trodden trail way before our ancestors could even speak. Alas, a journey as long as this must surely have been a tedious one, for in the vacuum of space there is no wind on which a tune can be carried. But if notes could indeed float through the Jovian skies, what would such a ditty be? Perhaps as peculiar as the very one you are listening to right now? I would like to think so. And let me take this opportunity to introduce you to the dungeon synth artist known as Kaël Satan. What? Wait, what is dungeon synth? I hear you ask. Well, dungeon synth is a subgenre of black metal, embodying its gloomy dark aesthetics and ethos whilst exploring an ambient soundscape that feels a pinch medieval at times. Pioneered by artists such as Mortis, yet perfected by many, dungeon synth has blossomed into a thriving community with a rich repertoire cultivated by an ever-growing scene, part of which is Kaël Satan. So who better to provide an obscure medieval melody for this obscure Jovian moon? Yes, I know I pronounce it wrong the entire time. It's Kale. 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 Kale.